A new Tesla Giga Press, a die-casting machine that promises to upend automotive manufacturing, is almost ready to go. Tesla Gigafactory uses a die-casting machine made by Italian company Idra Group. The machine will significantly reduce build time, operating and manufacturing costs, as well as factory footprint. The Giga Press is the largest die-casting machine in the world to date. It can weigh up to 430 tons and have a clamping force of up to 61,000 kilonewton. Additionally, these gigantic die-casting machines are as big as a house and capable of casting extremely large components. Want to know about it? Well, stay tuned to the video and watch the video till the end. Hello guys, welcome to the Elon Musk exclusive. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get new updates about technology and development and basically anything around real Tony Stark, Elon Musk. Hit the like button to show your support, and in today's video, we're going to talk about Elon Musk finally reveals new Giga Press. So without any further ado, let's begin. Tesla has long had a focus on manufacturing efficiencies, and arguably the most efficient and most popular was the introduction of the Giga Press. There's no question that Tesla's CEO Elon Musk appreciates the hyperbole of terms like giga, hence Tesla's Gigafactory battery plant in Nevada. So maybe it's no surprise that for the next generation of the company's manufacturing, it has turned to Idra's Giga Press for die-casting large portions of Tesla EVs. The Giga Press is a massive casting machine developed by Italian company Idra, which helps Tesla cast the chassis and bodies of its all-electric vehicles in a swift, efficient, and non-time-consuming manner. Tesla has worked with Idra to develop massive Giga Press machines that will be used at Gigafactory Texas and Gigafactory Berlin. There are already Giga Press machines working at Tesla's Fremont factory in Northern California, as Automotive Engineering reports. The machine used to make the castings is what Musk refers to as the world's biggest casting machine, a house-sized Giga Press produced by Italian high-pressure die-casting equipment manufacturer Idra Group. Going from 70 parts to just one giant part has greatly simplified Tesla's body production line, removing the need for around 300 robots, according to CEO Elon Musk. It's also improving quality by making the body more consistent without all the variables of lining up many different parts. Less parts and processing can mean a lower cost of production. Those Giga Press advancements are one reason Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas used to justify Tesla hitting $1 trillion in market capitalization back in October. Jonas believed the market was recognizing the idea that Tesla is not only a leader in vehicle electrification but in vehicle manufacturing too. It's clear that the Giga Press can bring immediate cost and efficiency advantages to Tesla's already colossal manufacturing process, but there's a lot more the company could do with it and a lot more ways TSLA stock could gain. First, Tesla could apply this manufacturing technique to other models. Notably, the company has commissioned an even larger die-casting machine to make chassis components for its planned Cybertruck pickup. Tesla could expand this concept and leverage an even bigger die-casting machine to create parts for its semi-trucks. Currently, Idra and Elki Group are the only ones making these machines, and Tesla happens to be the first company ever to order the Giga Press. Since then, people associated with the die-casting industry are eager to see the world's largest die-casting machine in action. The Giga Press is more like a die-casting setup than a machine. It's equipped with all sorts of devices and systems required in a die-casting process. The components in Tesla's Giga Press include ovens, vacuum tank, quenching tank, trimming device, scrap metal recycler, and inspection devices. Many car makers use die casting today for portions of the chassis that benefit from localized stiffness, such as shock towers. But Tesla is resolved to use giant die castings to replace the entire front and rear sections of the chassis, replacing multiple stampings that must be fastened together. So will it work? Obviously, Musk thinks so, but it helps to have a second opinion, as Laurie Harbour, president of manufacturing consultancy Harbour Results Incorporated, told AN, even with a big cycle time, you eliminate all the labor to assemble pieces and subcomponents, you're saving on automation cells, you're saving on people. It would be tough to put dollars on it, but think of multiple suppliers doing stampings, you could save maybe 20% on labor cost, and the reduction in footprint is major. My guess is that it's a net efficiency gain. Musk states that this will cut the footprint of the body shop by 30%, though at press time there was no word on when they'd arrive. Casting could perhaps be Tesla's biggest advantage as it continues to ramp up manufacturing and assembly efforts at its facilities. Casts for each of its vehicles can be made in a matter of few seconds, effectively revolutionizing the way automotive bodies are made. Tesla has also shown that casting will play a pivotal role in the company's decision to move to a structural battery pack, which will increase safety and vehicle rigidity in the event of an accident. It's part of a larger plan for Tesla to also move to structural battery cases that serve as the stressed center member of the platform, connecting the front and rear die castings. The combination of these changes decreases manufacturing cost and complexity as well as vehicle weight, according to Musk. The die-cast structural battery configuration is an architecture we've been wanting to do at Tesla for a long time, and we finally figured it out, Musk said at the company's Battery Day presentation. I think it's the way all electric cars in the future will ultimately be made. It's the right way to do things, and it starts with having a single piece casting for the front body and the rear body. Tesla currently manufactures cars in two plants, one in Fremont, Calif, and another in Shanghai, China. Plants in Germany and Texas are about to come online, essentially doubling Tesla's capacity to roughly 2 million units a year. Chief Financial Officer Zachary Kirkhorn explained to investors on the company's third-quarter earnings conference call that the first goal is to get a plant producing about 5,000 vehicles a week. From there, the goal is to hit about 10,000 a week, which implied about 500,000 vehicles produced a year at each plant. Exactly how fast Tesla can ramp capacity at new facilities and what it will do to vehicle costs will be something investors are on the lookout for in 2022. There is a possibility that the EV giant will leverage the technology to create a super low-cost EV model for which the die-casting machine would create the entire frame in one piece. As the company moves to compete globally with lower-cost models from Chinese manufacturers, die-casting could provide an incremental edge. Long story short, this press is paving the way for Tesla to automate more of its assembly process. Musk talks a lot about robot automation, and it may be the company's secret weapon to increase manufacturing speed while lowering costs. After all, Tesla has been steadily installing more production robots at its Fremont factory. There are roughly 1,000 robots on the Model 3 body line, Musk explained in a video interview on the Monroe Live YouTube channel. You want fewer things, not more. We got rid of 300 robots just with that rear body casting. When we go to the front body casting, we'll get rid of another 300 robots. The castings also eliminate opportunities for problems with the 70 joint pieces used previously. I can't emphasize enough the nightmare of sealing between the gaps between the joint parts, Musk said. That might be the most painful job in the whole factory, is spackling on the sealant. But until it took delivery of the Giga Press, Tesla had little choice, he continued. You can muscle through it, and we have, Musk remarked. It's way better to have a single-piece casting, you don't have gaps in the sealant, you don't have dissimilar metals, you can reduce the size of the body shop dramatically, so why didn't Tesla just build the Model 3 and its other EVs using such casting sooner? Because sufficiently huge die-casting presses were not yet available, the Giga Press itself presented many engineering challenges that our team resolved to step by step during the research and development process, which took more than 2 years, stated Idra General Manager Ricardo Ferrerio in a video posted on Idra's YouTube channel announcing the company's OL6100CS Giga Press. The most important innovative factor is the new injection system designed by our engineers, he said. The filling of the die requires that we move around 100 kilograms of aluminum into the die cavity in 60 to 100 milliseconds. Tesla hasn't released a delivery target for 2022, although the company has said it aims to increase deliveries by around 50% annually. EV competitors will continue to fight over design and battery efficiency, but ultimately manufacturing excellence remains one of the most important metrics for scale. Now that we've come to the end of this video, I want to thank you for sticking with me, and I'd love to know what you think of it. Just comment down below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you like it and stay safe. Today's video is over, but if you want to see more, there's one on your screen right now. And there are a few more fun videos coming soon about everyday technology. I'll see you in the next video.